Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Xavier Smith, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a normality plot on your calculator. So, what a normality plot is it's just assessing if a distribution is normal by looking at the spread of z values. So, if this normality plot is in a line, it is normal. If it's like exponential or scattered, it's probably not normal. Okay, so with a normal plot, you got to have like a bell curve here. That's just what a normal plot is. And then, of course, you have your median is the center, or mean is the center. And then it's one standard deviation away is z equals 1, and two standard deviations away is z equals 2. And then you can just find, that's just saying, so z equals number of standard deviations away for a point, and it should be a line, because like the further a point is, like on the x, the further it should be like how many standard deviations away. Okay, so first you're going to want to put your data into L1 and L2 in your calculator. If you don't know how to do that, go to stat and then press edit, and you'll get put in L1, L2. So you are going to put your values in L1. You could just put all your values in L1, or if you have many repeating values, you could put some of your values in, and then in L2, put the frequency of the times they come in. My data has, like, they just come up frequently, so I just put L1, L2. Then, once that is done, we are going to go to stat, calculate, and then one variable statistics. Then you're going to put your list L1, and if you just put all your data in L1, don't even worry about what I'm about to say. Then if you didn't put your data all in L1 and you put your frequency in L2, frequency list, put L2. Then go down and press calculate. So you'll get all this data, right? I have very simple data, and I'm just going to write this down. Mean equals 3, and the standard deviation equals 1.225. So those are the two things. Remember, just put them down somewhere because we're about to use them for this graph. All right, then go back to stat edit. You'll get put back L1, L2, and then we go over to L3, right? Then go up so you're hovering on L3, and then you are going to put in the formula for z-score. So z equals like the point minus the mean over the standard deviation. All right, so when you're like, oh, what point do I put in? You're scrambling to put in all your points and find it one by one, and it's horrible. But if you just listen, you'll see that you should do second 2, and that'll give you L2. Actually, do parentheses, second L2, parentheses, second 2, and you'll get L2. And then you're going to say minus, go back to your mean, minus your mean, and then divided by your standard deviation, 1.225, and then just press equal, and it will fill out the whole chart for you. And then if you want to graph this, you'll go second y equals to like stat plot, then go like plot 1 on. Make sure you hover on and then click it, say yes, on, then go down to the first type of graph, and then x list will be L1 and y list will be L3. And then you're going to just graph graph 9 zoom stat, and you should have a graph of like normality. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.